Alright, so you can take this harness off by lifting that up like that and straight up pulling. You see that? You have to put all the way out and then it just releases. So if you want to maintain your seatbelt pretensioner, on the back over here, you can just push it. Right, it'll come out like that. Pretensioners are zip tied or fastened with a tab like this. You can just push it out or break it, doesn't matter. And then you want to disconnect this. You see the tabs right here, same thing on the other side. So you're gonna push it and then slide it. Yeah, so if you push it all together, you know, the back one and this one at the same time, this is gonna slide out like that. And the pretensioner, seatbelt pretensioner one, is this yellow one, right? So what I found out is this seatbelt pretensioner is actually installed within this pigtail, so you can unconnect all the other ones, which are like electric motor, controller, all the one. This is what you're left with. And that connects all the way down to the pretensioner. Alright, that's it. So you're gonna be left with a big pigtail that's only for the seatbelt pretensioner. So I found out tensioner has two connectors. This one right next to the yellow one, which is the whole housing. And that's it. Thanks.